In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a team knowledge base in Confluence. Let's start by opening Confluence and heading to the space you want to use as your knowledge base. A space is the container for all your pages and makes a great home for shared information. Pick the space that aligns with your team or project so everything lives where people already work. Next, create a clear structure using pages and child pages. Think of your main page as the front door. It should briefly explain the purpose of the knowledge base and point people to the most important areas. Under that, use child pages to group related content. For example, you might have pages for onboarding, product information, support procedures, or company policies, each with their own child pages. Keep names short, descriptive, and consistent so it's obvious where to put new content. Now start adding helpful articles, FAQs, guides, and internal documentation. Write with the reader in mind. Use plain language, short paragraphs, and clear headings. Include screenshots where useful, and add quick intros that explain what the page covers and who it's for. FAQs are great for repetitive questions, while how-to guides should focus on step-by-step clarity. If you have existing docs, bring them in and polish them so they match your new structure and tone. Use labels or tags so people can find information easily. Labels power better search and help surface related content. Choose a simple, consistent set of labels, for example, the product name, the team that owns the page, and the type of document like FAQ or guide. Apply only a few per page and reuse the same labels across similar content to avoid clutter. Organize content by topic, department, or process, whichever matches how your team actually looks for information. If people think in terms of processes like request handling or release management, organize that way. If they navigate by department, mirror your org chart. The key is to make the structure intuitive and predictable. Share the knowledge base with your team so everyone can benefit. Post the main page link in your team channels, add it to onboarding checklists, and make sure the right people have view and edit access. A short note explaining what's inside and how to use labels and search will drive adoption. Finally, keep the pages updated so the information stays accurate. Add review notes at the top of key pages, record last updated dates, and schedule periodic checks. When something changes, update the source page first and remove duplicates. Accurate content builds trust, and a trusted knowledge base gets used.